Hey everybody, and welcome back to another Restyle tutorial. And today we're going to be restyling the hair of the 2008 Holiday Barbie, from Barbie in A Christmas Carol. And before we start, I'm Chaymie and I like to make toy videos here on my channel, so make sure you like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell if you would like to stay tuned for more toy video content. Alright, let's get started. For the direction of this hair restyle, I'm going to be pretty much basing it on how it looked like in the movie, which was pretty much big giant chunks of curls that are rolled up in a side ponytail. And I'm also going to be taking a little bit of inspiration from the prototype doll images as well, but mostly we're going to follow the movie look. Alright, so let's kick things off by taking down the hair, and to my delight, I found out that her head is glue-free and squishy, so that's good. I'm going to be removing her original earring so that the chrome paint doesn't get water damage, but I'm also going to be putting in some placeholder plastic earrings so that the ear holes does not close when in contact with hot water. I've learned that the hard way years ago. Now it's off to our usual process of mist and brush, and the boil wash. Alternate between brushing and dipping. After that, while her hair is still wet, we're gonna tie it already into a side low ponytail. And I'm also going to be taking a section of hair from this side so that this little piece can also wrap around the hair and hide the rubber band. And there we go. Don't worry about that little tail, I'll tuck that in later. Alright, now let's move on to curling her hair. Since we want those bigger chunky curls, we're also going to be using these bigger boba tea straws. And I'm simply gonna be wrapping the hair on the straw and rolling it up. Cover it with our straw protector. And this is the part where I did a big no-no. So if we take a look at the instant replay, you can see that I actually ended up cutting some parts of her hair. So please don't do that. Then we'll secure it with our bobby pins, and you repeat the process until her entire head is done. Oh, and look, through the magic of editing, she's done. It does look a little chunky because the straws are bigger and they are in a horizontal positions, and whoop! Oh, excuse Barbie. She's actually wearing a surgical gown at the hospital. It makes some things easier. Now it's time for the boil perm. For this part, if possible, try not to let her scalp touch the hot water again, since it's not really needed to be dipped again so it doesn't get the double exposure. Now we let her dry for overnight. Now, through the magic of editing, we're already ready to take off the straws. And for this little part, I'm going to coat it with a little bit of gel so that it makes tucking this part easier. Then we take the rest of the straws off, which is also the most satisfying yet horrifying experience. And there we go. Since we want the curls to be in big chunks, I'm not going to be separating out the curls, so I'm just going to use a little bit of gel just to tame and clean up the flyaways. Make it a little neater. And also a little bit of gel on her bangs. From my experience, these type of curls tend to fall out later, so in order to prevent that, I'm also going to be spraying a generous amount of hairspray to finally set it in stone, literally. Now, she's ready for the glamour shots. And there we go! That was my restyle on the 2008 Holiday Barbie from Barbie in A Christmas Carol, and I'm really happy with how everything turned out because I wasn't quite sure which direction to take originally because their style in the movie was also very vague. It looked fluffy, it looked wavy, it looked curly, some kind of thing, you know. And the prototype doll also featured a similar type of curls, and at the same time I don't want to go with the traditional kind of curly look, and normally this is not a type of curls that I would like to do on my dolls, but I am really glad how it came together. So that's it for this restyle, so I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. You can also check me out on Instagram at Chaymie Creates, where I'll be posting more photos of her along with my other toy photography. If you enjoyed this video, please thumbs up, like, and subscribe. It'll really help out my channel. Once again, thank you so much for watching until the very end, and I'll see you all soon in my next video. Bye!